What if I told you that there's a master key that can unlock your potential and manifest your dreams? Absolutely. It's called the Master Key System, authored by Charles F. Haanel. Originally released in 1912 as a correspondence course and then as a book in 1916, it has profoundly influenced personal development philosophy.
The book integrates ideas from New Thought philosophy, which includes concepts like the law of attraction and creative visualization. It helped lay the groundwork for later works like Rhonda Byrne's The Secret.
The Master Key System consists of 24 chapters, each laid out systematically to guide the reader through the journey of self-discovery and personal empowerment. They'll discover the importance of truth, harmonious thinking, and concentrating on positive outcomes. Each chapter includes exercises to practice daily, alongside a psychological chart for self-evaluation.
The psychological chart assesses various aspects of one's life, such as creative power and mental ability. It sets a foundation for effective self-improvement.
Yes, these exercises encourage practice over 4 to 7 days, incorporating meditative activities that engage both mind and spirit. Speaking of exercises, they start with sitting still and inhibiting all thoughts. But that's just the beginning. The exercises guide readers through releasing physical tension, letting go of negativity, and visualizing pleasant places or positive expressions.
This method systematically builds concentration skills and fosters a deep connection between the individual and their desired outcomes, an essential aspect of the system.
Exactly. The final exercise emphasizes total concentration on what you want, which reinforces the power of creative visualization. The core themes emerge from New Thought philosophy, but they also pull from myriad sources, including Hinduism and even the Bible. Haanel blended various philosophies, drawing parallels between them. His teachings echo the interconnectedness found in traditions like Hinduism.
The integration of different philosophies enriches the text, making its principles universal and applicable across cultures.
The importance of unity with God and harmonious thinking particularly resonate throughout the text, and these elements are what make it timeless. The Master Key System has profoundly influenced modern thought leaders, particularly in the realm of personal development. Aside from inspiring The Secret, Charles Haanel corresponded with Napoleon Hill. Hill credited his success to Haanel's principles.
The ripple effect of this book extends even to contemporary figures. Actor Terry Crews has publicly praised it, claiming it helped clarify his vision.
It surely has. Many see it as a foundational text for understanding manifestation and visualization techniques. As with many influential texts, the Master Key System has seen several variations and adaptations over the years. Many modern editions exclude the original psychological chart and the extensive question and answers section, tailoring the content to modern readers.
Some editions enhance the material by integrating additional chapters from other works by Haanel, showcasing the breadth of his teachings.
Exactly, and sometimes even the title shifts. For instance, some editions simply call it the Master Key. Quotations play a significant role in the Master Key System, emphasizing key ideas and wisdom. Yes, the book includes quotes from influential figures like Jonathan Edwards and the Bible.
Not to mention, Haanel integrates these quotes seamlessly, enhancing the reader's understanding and engagement with the material.
Variations can arise due to different editorial choices, but the core principles remain intact, reinforcing Haanel's teachings across all versions. The Master Key System has sparked numerous derivative works, expanding on Haanel's ideas. Many authors have created books decoding or summarizing Haanel's principles, such as the Master Key System Decoded, and even adaptations suitable for modern audiences.
Each new interpretation often brings fresh insights, maintaining the relevance of Haanel's foundational concepts in today's context.
Haanel didn't stop at the Master Key System. He authored several other notable works that align with similar principles. His works include Mental Chemistry and A Book About You, both exploring deeper psychological and philosophical insights.
Some of these titles remain influential and are still in circulation today, whereas others have become part of the public domain.
Definitely. Each of Haanel's writings adds layers to understanding human potential and personal growth. As we wrap up, what are your thoughts? Are there any other works or theories that come to mind? Readers, let us know in the comments if you have insights or questions.